in this video we'll discuss about diamond star pattern. So this will be our final output that we want to print. This is called as a diamond star pattern. Okay, so we will use math.absolute method here to solve this problem. And so let's learn first of all like what is this method math.absolute. So basically whenever we add like negative integer value like -1, so math.absolute makes it as a positive that value, like output will be 1 here. So when we when we add like positive integer, it will give the positive output, and when we add negative integer value, so it will give still positive value, so the same value, right? Minus, if you add like -2, it will give output as a +2, like that. So basically I'm using Java language. I have created diamond star pattern, and in this class we have this main method, and inside this main method I have written printing statement solid diamond pattern. So this will be the first line. Then we have taken integer n is equal to 5. So this n value, what is this n value and why we have taken n is equal to 5? So let's understand that. If we see this is our diamond pattern and we want to print this the same way, right? So if we see the middle of this pattern, this is the middle star. So this one, okay, this is the middle star, right? So if we see the left side of this star, there are five stars, 1 2 3 4 5. So on the very first line we want to print five spaces, 1 2 3 4 5, and then we want to print one star. So everything on the left of this star is five spaces. So that is the reason we have we have assigned integer n is equal to 5. Based upon the different diamond patterns, you can check the number of spaces for the very first row uh, on the left side of the first star in the first row. So based upon that you can change the values here. And now let's understand the for loop. For integer I is equal to minus n, I less than or equal to n plus I plus plus. So this is our for loop. So it will start from n means here n is 5. So I value will start from -5 to this will be the +5, right? Because n is 5, so -5 to +5, that this loop will execute. Now let's understand inside this for loop. We have integer star is equal to 2 into n minus math dot absolute I plus 1. And let's understand this, what is this code. So so for the very first iteration, I value is -5, right? So n value is 5. So 5 minus math dot absolute -5. Here math dot absolute will make -5 as a +5, and 5 minus 5 will become as a 0, and 2 into 0 will become 0 plus 1. So the value will be 1. So for the very first iteration, integer star is equal to 1. So we got one value for the star for the first iteration. Now for let's understand this for loop. So there are two different for loops inside this outer for loop. This for loop is to print the space. Why we are printing space first of all? Because if you see on the very first line, very first row, so there are five spaces and then we have star. That is the reason first of all we have to print the space and then we have to print the star. Okay, so that's the reason we are first of all working on printing the space. So let's understand this for loop. Integer s is equal to 0, s less than math dot absolute I, s plus plus. So here I value is -5, so which will become +5, and then a loop will execute from 0 to s less than 5. So the loop will execute for the 5 times and it will print 5 spaces. So as we discussed already, so there will be 5 spaces first of all, right? So this loop will execute for the 5 times and it will print 5 space. Then for the second loop, we have integer j equal to 0, j less than star, j plus plus, and system dot out dot print, we are printing star here. So here star value we got as a 1 from here. So this loop will execute only once and it will print one star. And system dot out dot print ln, which will change the row. So this ln changes the row. So we are not using ln here for these two printing statements. Now for the second iteration, the value of n will become as a minus 4. Then integer star is equal to 2 into n is still 5. 5 minus this will be 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3, right? So integer star is equal to 3 now for the second iteration. Then for int this second now the second for loop, the value of math.absolute will be minus 4. So which will print, this loop will execute from 0 to s less than 4. So this will execute for the 4 times and it will print the 4 spaces, and then again this loop will execute and it will print the 3 stars. So as we discussed here, it will print first of all 3 space, then 3 stars, 4 space and 3 stars, then again it will print 3 space and 5 star. The same way we will get the value of star updated in each iteration, and the value of star will change in each iteration. So that this is how it will work. So now let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly. So yes, we are getting the diamond, solid diamond pattern. Yeah, the code is working fine, and this is by using this code we can easily print the diamond, solid diamond star pattern. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.